Well, let's talk about the orientation in linear layout. Okay, I want to use a couple examples. Let me delete this. Okay, and I will use only text views. Okay, well, let me use a grab content, and let's close this. Okay, we don't have IDs now. We don't need IDs. Okay, I just want to put text, and I will put text view. Okay, 1. And well, let me paste this one. Okay, sorry, but I need to do that. Just wait a second. Well, easy. Well, I will copy that. Okay, and I will put more elements here. If you see, I just changed the number 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, let's save. Now if we go to the design here, let's put a split here. It's too complex, but I don't want to use the emulator now. Okay, for now. Well, actually, let me open here. Okay, let's do in this way. Okay, yeah. Well, if you see here in this side, okay, we have 3 elements: text view, text view, text view. Yeah, we have 3. Okay, let me make a scroll here. The detail here is, okay, we have 3 text views and we have a linear layout. The linear layout, in this case, we have a property with orientation vertical. We have the first, the second, and the third text view, okay, in like a column. That's the point. Okay, and if we change the orientation now to horizontal, we have the left to right. Okay, but position, text view, text view, text view. That's the only difference. The difference is when you are using linear layout, if we put horizontal, we put the next element in the right position. Okay, always. Even if you put more elements that you can put in the screen, showing the screen. Let me show you. If you see here, we have more elements, yes, but the point is, okay, we can put more in the right side. Okay, but this is not my problem. This is the Android problem in this case. Okay, and if we change this to vertical, all the elements, okay, is working like a column here. That's the difference to use horizontal or vertical. Okay, it's very easy. Actually, linear layout is a very easy way to put the elements in your screen, and that's the reason why at the beginning I recommend to use it. Okay, but well, at the end we have more complex cases, we have more complex interface, and probably you will need to change to constraint layout or the other layouts in the Android world. Okay, so let me just define again the basic interface in the past, and well, let's continue with this course.